Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, July 6th, 2020, and here we are in beautiful downtown Phoenix. Once again, historical downtown Phoenix, and we will be restoring, I think, 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and a hallway in this beautiful red brick, mixed brick home. As you could see, it's just a wonderful, wonderful neighborhood with a lot of greenery, landscaping, which you don't see much in the newer communities where all the houses are the same and they have no personality. This is why we love downtown Phoenix, because their homes are very unique. Let's go ahead and go inside and see what we're working with today. So today, now all the furniture is moved in the front living room area. You can see most of the homes have arches, cold ceilings, old historical homes. And let's see what time is it. Well, nope, that's not the right time. And this is the floor we'll be sanding and refinishing, just up to here. Once we're done with this area of the house, then we will begin this area at a different time. As you can see, it was sanded and stained at one time by probably a homeowner or handyman. That's why the stain is so blotchy. And this is it. As you can see, it's pretty dry. It's been covered up with a carpet for the last 25 years. Look at that beautiful big window. Beautiful front yard. And there goes the crew. Alright, so you can see, pretty dry rotted. Well, dry rotted, just dry. We'll be stopping there. We'll be sanding this, taking out this threshold that was there previously for the carpet. And we'll be stopping there in the bathroom. There. We'll be removing that. And you can see we'll be removing this metal plate right here that it was a cover for a broken plank. And as you can see, it was a little bit neglected. It's a beautiful wood floor. Not to worry, we will restore it back to its beautiful original condition. Yeah, it had a little bit of paint, but wood floors are not meant to be painted. They're meant to be sanded, refinished, and another beautiful metal plate. Let's see, what does it say here? It says something. That's another metal plate, another cover up. We'll be removing the vinyl here and tack strips, putting new baseboards around. Yeah, a little more painted wood floors, but we don't want that. We want to refinish them, not paint them. Nothing else except sand, refinish them. That's what we do best here at Royal Wood Flooring. Give us a call today, 602-446-2613. Find us online, www.royalwoodflooring.com. Thank you.